Students, today we will learn about how to import data in Excel, chapter number 2, class 7. Import means to transferring data from different sources such as from another Excel sheet, MS Access or any other database source and then converting it into Excel format. As you have learned in previous classes that every data application has a different type. First we will do practical and then we will do reading from book. As you can see on the screen, I have some data on Notepad and I want this file to be imported in Excel. I have saved my Notepad data on desktop. First we will open MS Excel. In MS Excel, we will click on Data tab. When we click on Data tab, we have different groups. First one is Get External Data. In Get External Data, we have 4 options. First one is where do we get from? Means from where we want our data. From Access, from web, from text, from other source. Means your data could be a text file, database, you want some data from the internet to be imported to your Excel sheet or any other source. In this practical, I am importing data from Notepad. As I have placed my Notepad file on desktop, so what I will do, I will click on from text. Then I will click on desktop. My file name is data. Then I will click on import. When I click on import, this dialog box open. After that we have to complete 3 steps. First one is they are asking choose the file that best describe your data. So I will delimit my options. Here I will select Windows. And then I will click on next. Here they are saying my data has headers. No, I don't have. So I will click on next. In this screen they are showing you the data preview. If you want to make any changes you can. I will click on next. Usually we click on journal. They are asking you the format, date, text. Do not import column. If you don't want any column to be imported, then you will select this. And then it will look like this. And then we will click on finish. The last step is they are asking you where you want your data to be placed, on this worksheet, somewhere on another worksheet, new worksheet, in existing worksheet, any other column or row. So I will click here. So in this way I have imported my notepad file into my Excel worksheet. Now we will do reading from your book. Importing data in Excel, page number 29, chapter number 2, class 7. Importing data to MS Excel is the process of transferring data from an other Excel sheet or other database source and converting it into XLS format, means Excel format. This process eliminates the need to manually enter every item into new Excel worksheet. If I will enter manually, then it will take a lot of time. Importing data, therefore, saves a lot of time and reduce human error in the best possible way. And if we will import it manually, so maybe it's possible that we will not correctly enter the data or human error occur. Follow these steps to import data into an Excel sheet. What are the steps that we have to follow? First one is select data tab. First we will click on data tab. Figure 2.26, data tab. Click on format text option. In the get external data group, in data tab we have different groups. First one is get external data, second one is connections. So in the first one, get external data, we will click on from text. Import text file dialog box appear. So this dialog box will open. Figure 2.27. Then we will select our file. Note, you can also import data in the Excel sheet from the web, from the internet you can take, from SS you can take, from MS Access and any other source. You will learn more about MS Access in higher classes. Then select the file from its destination folder or type in the name of the file in the file box. Here, you will select the file that you want to insert or import in MS Excel. You will select from here. Click on the import button. Then you will click on import button. Figure 2.27. Note, ensure that in this case the file has .txt extension, means text extension. That is, it is created in Notepad. As you have learned in previous classes, if you have created your file in MS Word, then it will save with extension .docs. In Excel, then XLS. These are the extensions. So for Notepad, it is .txt extension. Fourth one is the text import wizard dialog box appear. Figure 2.28. Import wizard dialog box. Click on the file origin drop down list where your file is placed, so you will select that file origin. Then you will delimit Make the desired options in the delimiters action. Click on next button. They will show you the preview. That after importing how your file will look. If you want to make changes in the preview, you can do that. A preview of chart based on the option chosen can be seen in the data preview section. Select the appropriate column data format in the column data format section. Click on finish. Then you will click on finish. The import data dialog box appears. Specify the absolute cell reference address if the data has to be imported in the current worksheet or in the worksheet of the same workbook. Where you want your data to be imported, on the same worksheet or somewhere else. The last dialog box will be where you want. In new worksheet, in the existing worksheet. Click on the OK button. The data will be imported in the current worksheet starting from A1. If your worksheet is new, you want your data to be placed in the existing worksheet, then you will click on OK. And this is your final result, figure 2.30. In this way, we import data from Excel.